It is a renowned fact that the discipline of electronics and communication engineering involves developing and testing electronic circuits, communication devices like transmitters, receivers, and integrated circuits. We engineer our aspirants to place themselves accordingly with modern technology. Furthermore, manufacturing, testing, and evaluating with cost effective strategies are indispensable for an electronics and communication engineer.
EC department of our university has equipped our students to stand out amidst in today's fierce competition by offering us innumerable opportunities. We get to participate in countless project expo, competition, presentation, where we can put our learnings into practice.